Hey guys, wish you lovely greets from the airport in Vienna, and welcome to the fourth vlog. Today I'm flying to Tenerife with my love, but my love is still catching some smoothies, so I thought I do the intro first, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Peace! It's time to go to Tenerife. Are you excited, baby? Hey guys, so we spent our first night in this beautiful cottage in Tenerife. And yeah, it's a cozy cottage on a camping space here on the south side of Tenerife. And now we're heading up to the north, but first toilet and breakfast. Peace. Good morning and lovely greets from Playa San Juan. Over there is the ocean, but you can't see it because the light is so bright. Oh, now a little bit. We moved from our camping space from Montana Roya to Playa San Juan in a cozy Airbnb with a nice balcony. Now it's time for some research and organization work on the computer. And then we are heading to the calisthenics park down at the ocean for some morning workout and then breakfast. And then it's time for some water action. So, see you later. Peace.
Today is a brand new day. I'm gonna start it soon. Someone deeper than the past. Something I'm about to lose. I don't feel okay. Moving on, my memories of you. Getting weaker by the day. Till eventually they're through. Hold up and hold on. Keep going on strong like a soldier. I was drunk with love, now I'm sober. So I can't help saying that I told you,
Honestly, guys, starting the day with a workout at the beach, followed by a swim in the ocean, and then a delicious banana from the island. I can't imagine anything better. Honestly, life is beautiful. Much love.
it was always to the end. Making love, did you love? Did our best just to pretend. You would teach me how it's easy. We were more than just good friends. Something deep within the soul. Feeling that I'm never gonna see again.
Hey guys, lovely greets from the ocean. Just taking a boat ride here to watch some dolphins and some whales and some turtles. And yeah, before I keep on talking, I just show you the videos of the beautiful whales and dolphins. But first, one more time, look at this beautiful landscape here. Amazing, just amazing. And now it's time for the whales. Peace.
You have it all, want to breathe, soon to see. You just wanna make it fall. Just wanna make it fall. Just wanna make it fall. Ooh. Just wanna make it fall. Just wanna make it fall. Just wanna make it fall. The first time we looked us, it was already the end. Making love, did you love? Did our best just to pretend. You would teach me how it's easy. We were more than just good friends. Something deep within the soul. Feeling that I'm never gonna see again.
Honestly, guys, that's amazing. We are in the middle of the boats too now. We left the dolphins and the whales, and now we are at the Los Gigantos. These cliffs are so gigantic that I can't even bring them on the camera. But what I wanted to say is that there is also a meal. Oh shit, my nose just dripping on the food. Oh man, that's super disgusting. Anyway, we have been in the salt water now for such a long time that it's flushed all the airways. But you get beer, food and 3 hours boat tour for only 35 euros per person. That's amazing. Honestly, love it here in Tenerife. Cheers.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still tryna flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city.
Hola, lovely greets out Puerto de la Cruz over there. you have a coastline with crazy waves, and we just arrived here a few hours ago. And yeah, during my first swim I cut my foot a little bit, my right foot, so I'm just resting here next to the street and yeah, waiting for my girlfriend. She is buying something from the pharmacy for herself, and then we're checking in our new Airbnb, and then I'm gonna show you the Airbnb. And now, before I stop talking to you, I just made myself a little chill space here. Just look at this crazy coastline. Crazy. I hope that my wound on the foot heals very fast, because then we can go surfing tomorrow or 2 days later. That's gonna be nice. And this cushion is really comfortable, honestly. Much love. Peace.
Around the block, no, I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it. We gon' get back on our feet, and I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause good die young. Yeah, but here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home.
So the gondol to get up to the peak was unfortunately closed due to the clouds and the wind, but we are in front of the Teide, that's the volcano, that's the peak of the volcano, and also the area around here is super magical. So we just walk a bit and yeah, maybe we try to get up there, but let's see how far we get.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly.
Hey guys, 2 days left of our Tenerife vacation, and today we're spending the whole day at the beach here at this beautiful coastline. I honestly don't know the name. Here is a cappuccino to go for my love. Anyway, today is beach day, so now it's time to go down and jump into these beautiful waves. What do you say, baby? Ready to rumble! Ready to rumble!
Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction.
So guys, we are already at the end of our vacation in Tenerife. Yesterday we got a new tattoo. My girlfriend and me, the best healing plant of the world, aloe vera, with the origin here in Tenerife and Lanzarote and La Gomera. Oh man, this plant is so amazing. But now we're heading towards the airport. Here you see it. And thank you, my love, for filming. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you need a time out during the winter, I definitely would recommend Tenerife. Honestly, during December and January, still 20 degrees with loads of sun and waves and anything you want. So much love and peace.